This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado news at the Arkansas River Headgates in North La Junta, looking at tonight's beautiful Southeast Colorado sunset. Of course, you can see more of those on our weather page, Seco Weather on Facebook. We've got some photo galleries on seconews.org in that photography category. We're at flood stage according to the National Weather Service. We spoke with the Otero County Sheriff's Office, and they are not aware of any residential flooding at this point, so we don't have any residential flooding according to the officials. They did, however, report that they will be standing by and watching the waters tonight under that flood warning from the National Weather Service office until Monday now. That warning's extended for La Junta here at Otero County, the Arkansas River. We're looking at the spillway and it is spilling right over there. That sunset is just gorgeous tonight. That is a lot of water. National Weather Service reporting it over 12 feet. Flood stage back at 11 feet. So minor agricultural flooding going on in North La Junta Gardens area. Again, we did talk with Otero County Sheriff's Office just a moment ago. We spoke with Under Sheriff Matt Wallace, their public information officer. They were on scene at the North La Junta Bridge, the Arkansas River, as some folks had decided to go swimming in these high floodwaters. So a message to the public from Otero County Sheriff is stay out of the Arkansas River. National Weather Service, of course, saying turn around, don't drown. If you've got flooded waterways, don't drive through them. Wow. With your Southeast Colorado news on seconews.org from the headgates of the Arkansas River in North La Junta, Colorado. With your Southeast Colorado news, I'm Adrian Hart.